How to set up Uber for first-time users. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me go it's super and easy and how you can set up Uber for first-time users. Well, be it you're using the application to log in or the website. If you want to do it on website, head into uber.com. You'll find the sign up option, click on it. Now proceeding to sign up, you will have to enter in various details. Now here you want to whether sign up for ride, driver and delivery, Uber Eats or business. Now you want to select ride if you want to set it up for riding, as if you want to use it as a passenger. Then here you can enter in your phone number or email manually, or you can choose your account from here. Now just doing this will be completely easy as it will fill out your details itself. All you got to do is go through the verification process and enter in other details such as address and such. So you can continue with Google, continue with Apple. Choose particular option and proceed to select the account to sign up. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.